Gee, it sure is boring around here.
My boy. This piece is what all true warriors strive for.
I just wonder what Ganon's up to.
Your Majesty, Ganon and his birds have seized
Zelda,
Great!
take him away. You haven't seen the last of me!
It is written, only Link can defeat the birds.
No!
They are beautiful.
You must,
Conquer the birds.
or else you will die.
I'll grab my stuff.
Squadala, we are off.
Wow, what are all those?
Birds. These are birds of evil. You must conquer each.
I guess I'd better get going.
Here is the bird.
You must die!
Well done, Link.
A whole month gone, and still no word.
Spaghetti!
Link, I'll take
The birds.
to protect me.
Father!
You will die.
Come on,
Ganon,
I'll have you for
dinner.
But but
This is illegal, you know.
Scrub me, Link, and I will make your face the greatest in Korodai, or else you will die.
This is illegal, you know.
Well done, Link.
Take him away. I wonder what's for dinner.
It is written,
Impa? Wake up, Impa. We're going to get you.
After you've scrubbed all the
Koopa football players, Mushroom Kingdom. Mama Luigi!
One!
You did not.
Mama? Mama